We were discussing about time management for development of determination, the element of determination within us, in our mind, our body. We will see few more points related to development of determination in our mind and close this discussion for going into further topics relevant to further human potentials. In earlier days, our grandparents used to tell us to chant the names of God for 11 times, 18 times, 108 times before starting the day. They used to say that you count, you chant for 11 times, 18 times, 108 times, something like that. It is better to start the day in that fashion to gain energy. It is not a old fashioned one, it can be done even today also. Yes. When we are counting the name of God according to our religion, anybody's religion, I mean to say, certain number of times and start the day, our sense of determination definitely improves. Immediate after getting up, before getting out of the bed, if you say 10 times or 11 times, 18 times, something like that, the names of God, in my opinion, the determination, the sense of determination develops because it is bringing in certain energy, certain way of living within us. There are so many ways that we can go on advocating in this fashion to our children or to ourselves also. Fine. We have been seeing how we can build up determination, the certain practices that can be adopted within us for this purpose. You can see there are some old people walking on the garden daily morning. We feel very happy to see them, that exactly in particular time we are seeing them there. That shows that they have the habit of doing a job. For them it is working in a particular time. That habit improves determination. Further, determination can be developed, first of all, if there is a clarity of our thoughts. If I have no confusion, my thought is very clear, I have clarity on the subject, I have clarity on my aim, I have clarity on my goal, then my determination to complete the assignment will be more. Suppose you are a student, when you are sure that in the month of June there is going to be exam, then your target is getting fixed accordingly. Because there is a clarity or examination is in June. There is examination, it is in June, then your plan starts accordingly. That automatically gives willpower to you. That in June the examination has to be attended and I should prepare now itself or after 10 days, after 15, something. So the clarity in thoughts will bring determination in you. So fixing a goal bringing clarity inside the mind is required for developing determination within us. It is in every profession, whether we are in the office, whether in the school, we are in a college, or we are in a profession. You may be a singer, you may be a writer, you may be a speaker, or something like that. Anything. So we are going to make a full stop for this topic, determination. I told certain ways to develop determination. And I have finally concluded that there should be clarity of goal, clarity of thought, clarity of our aim for developing determination. This has to be developed. And it is not that a 5-year-old boy will think about I will become a doctor or engineer. It is not like that. Next, for 1 year, 6 months. Okay, a boy is in 6th standard. He should decide I should go to 7th standard with good marks. It is a determination will be developed within him. Another thing, a common point that has been dealt as on date is that maintaining good health will bring determination in you. If your immune system is okay, you get all energy to develop determination in you. This is a very important factor. If you fail to feel good often, then you start confusing yourself. There is no certainty of tomorrow within you. And your determination is getting shaken. So good health is important. I need not explain to you what is called good health. You can ask your mother, you can ask your parents. They will tell you how to maintain good health. If you go, your teacher also can help you. What is called good health? Please try to maintain that. Next session, we will go to a new topic, the meaning of the word success. In human potential thoughts, first I explained to you what is called determination. Then we are going to another topic, what is called success. What is called success? There are lot of meaning for the word success. We will discuss about that one. I feel you should subscribe to my pages so that daily you get some positive thoughts, some food to your brain or mind through your ears for further thinking on this topic. I will request the parents, please ask your children to go through my pages. I am of the sincere opinion their future will be very good if they happen to hear these topics. Thank you. Goodbye. See you tomorrow or sometime after 2 days. Please have a good day, have a good health. Fine.